This 2025 Coachmen Apex Nano 213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a casino interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.